morning, students. Till yesterday we have completed textbook page number 4, paragraph, fourth paragraph. I will repeat again the same paragraph, fourth paragraph. You can repeat along with me if you have your textbooks. It was so hard for them, but right from the start they did their best to make me independent. So this line is in explaining as it was so hard. It means the decision, especially to grow a baby who was being born as a torso, and to make him to join not in a special school, to make him to join not in a special school. So it was very hard. For whom it is hard? For Nick. For Nick it is very hard, and for them, for their parents also, for Nick's parents also, it was very hard to treat or to nurture this child, but they did not take it as a negative. Nick's parents, they did not take it as a negative, even though it is very hard. They have given right thing to make him to grow. What is that right thing? So to everything he has to depend every work by doing by himself, not to others. So to make him independent for everything, to make him independent, to brush by himself, to dress up himself, to bath by himself, to do his regular works independently, not to depend on others. It was very hard. But right from the starting his family, right from the start of his life, his parents has taken a very regular training for him to make him independent. Now today we will start our next paragraph, fifth paragraph. What is that? My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. Yes, this line is very important. My dad. Whose dad here? Nick's dad. What he did, Nick's dad? Put him in water. Put him in water. When he was being put in water, in a water tub, he was being put, the small baby was being put in a water tub when he was only 18 months. What do you mean by 18 months? Hardly 1.5 years. Hardly 1.5 years. సంవత్సరంన్నర బేబీని వాటర్లో ముంచేస్తున్నాడు. ఎవరు? హిస్ ఫాదర్. వై? సో దట్ హీ కెన్ లెర్న్ హౌ టు make himself underwater. That is nothing but to train swimming. That is nothing but here to train swimming. So put me is nothing but here Nick. So my dad put me is nothing but Nick, in water, bathtub. So at a youngest age, that is 18 months. Why? Because he should gain courage. He should gain courage. What do you mean by courage? Dhairyam. He should not get scared. He should not get scared. He should gain courage so that I can involve myself in bathtub for certain minutes. That is nothing but to learn swimming. So that from that age, from the early age, it is very hard, but he has to be independent. For that reason, even though it is very hard, right from the earlier life, Nick's parents decided to make him independent. So first thing, they put under water to get swimming. If we will go underwater, what we will get? We will get scared. But here he has gained courage by a lot of force which was being applied by his parents, and he learned swimming. He learned swimming through that process at the early stage. As well as next sixth paragraph here, if you will see, I also got. Who is I here again? Nick. I also got really into football and skateboard. So got into, what is the phrasal verb here? Got into. Got into is nothing but become involved. Means I became involved. Means with courage. With courage, when at the early age, 18 months, I learned swimming with my father's help. Even though it was hard to make me independent, he made me to learn. And in that way only, with that same courage, he got into, means he involved in learning football also. What is the other thing he has learned? Football. What is this? He doesn't have limbs only. How can he kick the football? Yes. With that small foot. Yesterday we have learned, no? With that small foot in the previous class we have learned. He has a small foot which is touched to the left hip part. So with that small foot, he learned how to kick this ball. With a lot of force. At the early age only. That makes him to build up his own stamina, courage. As well as he learned even to balance skating board. Skateboard. What is the skateboard? It is a water game. Already he is very perfect in swimming after this training. After this training, he became perfect swimmer at the early age only. And he learned how to balance skateboard. How to balance skateboard, and in the skateboard his body has to be fixed to the board. We fix it to a narrow board. This person has to be fixed to the narrow board, and in the ocean he has to enter and he has to overcome the waves. He has to overcome the waves and he has to travel at a great speed with a maximum limited time, with a minimum limited time. So in that way he learned how to play football and he learned to engage in skateboard also. And I totally love, again here Nick, I totally love English Premier League. English Premier League. Already in the first page, first paragraph of this page, we have learned EPL. EPL is nothing but English Premier League. So here we should not get confused. We have to pronounce THE the in two ways. One should be pronounced as the, one should be pronounced as the. When we should pronounce the, when we should pronounce the, before consonant sounds. Before consonant sounds, you mean, you can understand what you mean by sound. We are not concentrating on the alphabets, we are concentrating on the sounds. Before consonant sounds, we have to pronounce the. Before vowel sounds, we have to pronounce the. So here it is been written English Premier League. Here the pronunciation is E, vowel. So the, what is the pronunciation here we have to take? The English Premier League. If you will take water games, if you will take water games, here if the article is being given, we have to pronounce it as the, because it is being pronounced as consonant sound water. Wow. So in this way we have to pay attention while reading where the article is used, where the article is used before vowel sounds and before consonant sounds. And here you can observe clearly, I totally love. So what is the channel he loves mostly? English Premier League. Why does he love? Because in that sports like football, skateboarding and how to swim, everything will be given a perfect training, and where they are losing, everything will be given backlogs, and they will be applauding where they have did great works. So in this way we can see how he has been got into 3 different games, that is swimming, football, skateboarding. Next one you'll see, till now we have learned about Nick's mother. Nick's mother, what is the occupation of that woman? She was a nurse. Now we will learn in the next paragraph what Nick dad will do. So repeat along with me paragraph 7th. Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type with his toe at just 6-year-old. His mom invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen or a pencil. Sorry. And next one you see Nick's father. What is the occupation of Nick's father? He was a computer programmer. What do you mean by programmer? Who operates computer for different company accounts, for different company works. So he was a computer programmer as well as he is an accountant. Accountant means who engages himself in all the finance sector of that capital investment, and a company's every account money transactions will be taken by this accountant. So he was both computer programmer as well as computer program is nothing but work related to computer, as well as accountant. And what he is, he taught himself. He means here Nick's father. He taught. What is the verb we can see here? Taught. What is the V1 for this? Teach. V1 is teach, V2 is taught. Teach, taught, taught. So Nick's father taught to his little son. Little means chinna babuki, to his little son, nothing but Nick. What he did here? How to type. You know, type machine, laptop. We will type with our 10 fingers, hands, fingers. But this person doesn't have any arms. But he learned with the toes. You know toes? Kali velanu toes antam. Kali velato typing నేర్చుకున్నాడు. It's very hard. His father deals with computer. For that reason, he has given training from the early age. 6 years only. When he was 6 years only, he has been given training, that is how to type with his toes. కాలి వేళ్ళను టోస్ అంటాము. ఈ కాలి వేళ్ళతో కంప్యూటర్ పైన ఎలా టైప్ చేయాలో 6 yearsకే నేర్పించారు. ఎవరు? నిక్స్ ఫాదర్. He taught his little son Nick with the toes at what age? Only 6 years. We might be very younger age. We will be especially dealing with LKG section at that time. And next, his mom. Who is his here again? Nick. What his mom did? Invented. What his mom did? Invented. Invented means to implement something in this world new which was not earlier. To discover something new into this world which was not earlier. What is the opposite for this? Discovered. What is the opposite? Discover. And what he is saying here? A special plastic device. This is very important. A special plastic device. We have to concentrate on this. What is this? You will see many plastic devices. Now you will see pen, pencil. In those days we used to have HB pencils. Now we have pen, pencils. Means a lid is being passed into a long cylindrical empty shape, and we will apply some kinetic energy or something physical energy, and through that we will gain something plastic device in the form of pencil. So his mother invented means which was not earlier. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో అంతకు ముందు అలాంటి ప్లాస్టిక్ డివైస్ లేకుండా తనే ఇన్వెంట్ చేసింది. చూడండి ఒక తల్లి ప్రేమ ఎంత గొప్పదో. షీ ఇన్వెంటెడ్ ఫర్ హర్ ఓన్ సన్ వాట్ ఇన్ దిస్ టోస్, ఈ కాలి వేల మధ్యలో between these toes, whatever gap will be there, you know, you will keep pencil or pencil in one point divider. How it will be fixed? How it will be fixed? Like that only. In between these toes, she will apply some grip in the form of screwing, and she will make her son to hold this pen or pencil so that he can write, or he can write or paint, or he can do anything with that special plastic device which is especially meant to hold something, pen or pencil. So who invented this special plastic device? His mom. For what? For help her son to catch in between toes perfectly with grip. And next, so pen or pencil పట్టుకోవడానికి ఈ ప్లాస్టిక్ డివైస్ ఇన్వెంట్ చేశారు. Despite the risk, 8th paragraph, observe the pronunciation. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted Nick on attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. See this 3 lines again. What he is saying? Already in the first 2 lines we have learned their parents have taken one best decision. What is the best decision they have taken in his life, overall the life? Not to join in special school. Not to join in special school. I said you already, what is special school? Like in our Cheryal Mano Chetana, how it is there, physically disabled students ki training ichedanni special schools antam. Special BA teachers will be there to train for this disabled students. Any type of disability, they will be given special training. So this person is also disabled, so he has to be joined in special school. But what the parents has decided, they have taken one decision that not to join him in special school. So despite ante chinnappa nunde tanu ఏ స్కూల్ కి వెళ్తున్నాడు, he is going in mainstream school. Means how abled people, how normal people. What is mainstream? Normal schools, normal conventional is nothing but where corporate schools like will be working. So what is the opposite for that? Special school. Special. So right from the start, from the nursery, LKG, pre-primary, all primary, he was been learning in mainstream school. Mainstream school ki meer chinnaga unnappudu ella vachevaru school ki, your parents supposed to get by bikes or car, but this person by his parents only in car he used to come to school, where all abled students will be there. All physically abled, anta sakramanga unna physical abled students unna school ki ee disabled person Nick ni teeskocheva. When he was very young, when all the students used to tease him, he did not get feel. But when he was been growing, almost when he was 6 years, he learned typing. When he was 7 years, every child is going by himself for snacks eating, lunch, hand wash and everything, but this person can't do. He has a special care persons. So see this, despite the risk of being bullied, means there is a chance of Getting bullied. Bullied is nothing but teasing. What is the meaning of bullied? Threatened. Bhayapadadam. Threatened. What is the meaning opposite? Encourage. Abnormal child, who is disabled child, this Nick was being bullied, means threatened. Threatened means chinna pillalu untaru kada, if that people are drinking through water bottles, this person can't hold with his arms because he doesn't have any arms, so they used to threaten him. What type of threatening? You guy can't drink by your own, you can't guy come along with us to play in the ground, you can't come along with us for a lunch break or short break or anything. So in that way they used to threaten the other children, they used to threaten this Nick. So despite ala bekrichina భయపెట్టినా ఎలాంటి రిస్క్ ఉన్నా కూడా, డిస్పైట్ ద రిస్క్ ఆఫ్ బీయింగ్ బులీడ్, హిస్ పేరెంట్స్, hats off to his parents again here. His parents, what they did? His parents especially insisted means to give information, so that in the form of a motivation. స్కూల్లో పలానా పిల్లవాడు కొట్టాడు అనగానే తల్లిదండ్రులు ఏమంటారు? ఎవరు అబ్బాయి నేను వెళ్ళి ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్తో మాట్లాడేస్తాను అది ఇది అని కోపడతారు కొందరు పేరెంట్స్ అయితేనేమో దే విల్ మోటివేట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ యూ డిడ్, why that child has bet to you, they will inquire what is the process of default has been happened. So his parents here, instead of his bullying by other students, insisted means they have motivated him that you must attend only in mainstream school. No special school ki pampadam jaragadu. You must attend only mainstream school. They insisted that he must go only for mainstream school. And it means this preposition, this pronoun is very important again. It was the best decision. Means to send a Nick to mainstream school by his parents was best decision in his overall life. తన జీవితం మొత్తంలో కూడా వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ తనకు తీసుకున్న బెస్ట్ డెసిషన్ ఏంటి? నాట్ టు సెండ్ టు స్పెషల్ స్కూల్, ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ సెండింగ్ టు మెయిన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్కూల్. So what he's saying again, see there, and who later became a degree. Who did? Degree. చిన్నప్పుడు భయపడేవాడు, స్కూల్కి నన్ను భయపడుతున్నారు తోటి పిల్లలు అని అనుకునే ఒక స్టూడెంట్, డిజేబుల్డ్ పర్సన్, ఫైనల్లీ హీ హ్యాస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ హిస్ డిగ్రీ వరకు చదువుకుంటూ వచ్చాడు. ఇన్ విచ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హీ హ్యాస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ హిస్ డిగ్రీ? ఫినాన్షియల్. In financial planning, as well as one more degree in real estate. 2 degrees సంపాదించి బయటికి వచ్చాడు పాపం. Hats off, great. So financial planning as well as real estate, he has completed his degree. It was very hard. It means to go to mainstream school and to daily going, and his friends bullying and humiliation, threatening, everything he has to bear. He has to engulf himself. Everything was very, very hard. It was very hard. We will think it is very easy. ఒక టీచర్ ఒక రోజు కొట్టారు అంటే పిల్లవాడు నెక్స్ట్ రోజు మానేస్తాడు స్కూల్. ఎందుకు? he will hurt especially. But why the teacher has better, why our friends are saying this is important, or so they won't think it as very. So even this person who is coming regularly to school, even though he was being bullied by his friends for every activity, 8 hours he has to stay in school, and for everything there was a bully. So it was very hard for him, but in spite of that risk he has completed, and all that made him independent. So he can lead his life independently without depending on his parents, because when he will become 20 above, he needs a lot of money for everything. He has to earn by himself. He can't depend for every penny on his parents. So he became independent by completing his education. He became independent by learning games called football, skateboarding, swimming, surfing, and he became independent in a lot of things. He is not able to depend for everything on others. Still, can you see next paragraph, ninth paragraph, page number 4 again, ninth paragraph. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. This is very easy. What he said, Nick, who was teased and bullied. What do you mean by teased? Who was being afraid, భయపడుతున్నాడు. And who was being bullied, threatened. భయపడుతూ స్కూల్కి వచ్చాడు. అందరూ భయపెడుతున్నా కూడా తను కరేజియస్గా ఓవర్కమ్ అయ్యారు. సో ఇన్ దట్ వే హీ హ్యాడ్ అన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వీల్ చైర్. Chair? That chair, if you will run through electric, you can see in movie 24. That old person will have a chair which is connected with electricity. Means if he will switch on, it will start to move. If you will take one more switch on, it will take right turn or left turn. So in that way, a chair which is connected through electricity recharge for mobility. For mobility is nothing but for movement from one place to another place. So who needs this electric chair? Nick. Nick has an electric chair which is being taken care by team of carers. Team of carers. What is the nothing but carers here? A team of carers. A team of carers means a collective noun. This in editing it is very important. A team of carers. Can you see plural form here? Carers. He can edit S or he can edit off. A team with carers he can give, or A he can remove and he can give the. So in that way we have to observe the collective noun formation here. A team of carers. It is a collective noun. So carer, paid person. Person who is being given salary for what? To look after this disabled person. If you will take care of a child, he is also called child carer. If you will take care of any sick person, you will be called again caretaker. So in that way, carer here is nothing but paid person, means a person who is being given salary for taking care of this disabled person, nothing but Nick. Enduku car loan, he will travel from one place to another place through car, by car. So in that car he has to come down. So for that he need carer. Again he should move from that one place into the school or into any factory or industry or anything. So he has to overcome every movement problem. So he needs carer. Even though he is independent because of his physical disability, he needs some carers. So he has a team of carers for handling this electric chair, for handling to hold from one one place, that is car, to electric chair, or to go to washroom or any other process. And you can see 10th paragraph. I was deeply depressed. What do you mean by I here? Nick. I is nothing but again here Nick. So this is about present life. But he is again in this paragraph he is connecting to past life. What is that past life he is saying? I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old. He said, I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. This sentence is very, very able to get very జాలి కలిగిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. We will get a lot of painful words. I was deeply depressed అంటే when he was 6 years he learned typing. But when he was 8 years he went to his mom. How he went? He went by crying. Why he was crying? Because he was deeply depressed. What do you mean by depressed here? He was very unhappy. చాలా చాలా బాధ కృంగిపోతున్నాడు. What is the opposite? Cheerful. Why he was very depressed? Deeply అంటే కృంగిపోతున్నాడు, లోపల చాలా బాధపడుతున్నాడు. ఆ బాధను ఎవరితో చెప్పుకోగలుగుతాడు ఆ స్టేజ్లో? ఎక్సెప్ట్ హిజ్ మామ్. హీ కాంట్ షేర్ టు ఎనీవన్. సో హీ వెంట్ ఆన్ by crying to his mom, by deeply depressed, and he said only one sentence: I wanted to kill myself. See, if this sentence any parent has been listened, they can't bear this. They can't bear. So a child, I means here who? Nick. Nick went to his mom by crying because he was very depressed, and he said that he wanted to kill himself. See this reflexive pronoun. He can change you, myself, he can change himself. So we have to analyze where the editing point is being given. So Nick wanted to kill himself. Why he wanted to kill himself? When he was 6 years, their parents were supported to change the costume, to go to washroom and to clean the everything. And when he was 8 years, he will grow up. He can't share every moment with parents, to change the costume, to go to washroom, and to go outside and play with other friends. All the 8-year kids were going outside running and playing with their younger children, with their friends. But this person can't go by himself, just he can watch them. సో ఆ చిన్న వయసులో ఆ నిక్కి చాలా కృంగిపోతున్నాడు. నేను అందరిలాగా చేయలేకపోతున్నానే అని చాలా బాధపడుతూ వాళ్ళ మమ్మీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఐ వాంట్ టు కిల్ మై సెల్ఫ్ అని అన్నప్పుడు ఆ తల్లి చెప్పిన సమాధానం చూడండి ఎంత బాగుందో. ఐ ఫెల్ట్ కోల్డ్ అండ్ బిటర్. I hated God for doing this to me, and I was terrified of what would happen when my parents were not there to look after me. Again he is continuing. In 11th paragraph, again he is continuing. What he is continuing? I felt. What do you mean by felt? To feel. V1 is feel. F-E-E-L. Felt. Feel, felt. So almost all verbs are in simple past. Okay, we will continue the rest of the lesson.